Hi, my name is Yusuf and I'll be taking you on a journey to Morningside Park to discover the numerous wildlife that live in the city of Toronto. In this video, I will be walking you through 3 different animal species and showing you how they survive in Morningside's beautiful landscape. Start off by getting off at Morningside Avenue stop and make your way down to Section 6 of the 241-hectare park. It is certainly a beautiful walk. I chose Morningside Park because it is home to hundreds of different species in vast forests and urban wilderness. Where I live, wildlife is very limited, and this park was the first I ever visited, as it was an escape from the hustle and bustle of downtown and into the world of nature. This park is also deeply connected to the Indigenous communities in Toronto. The Morningside Legacy Project ensures that the original inhabitants, who were the Mississaugas of the Credit, the Haudenosaunee, and the Wendat peoples, have a safe gathering space for ceremonies, storytelling, and consists of educational trails that educate visitors about the history of the original forest that belonged to the First Nations peoples. It is certainly a place to relax and connect with the natural environment. And here's a fun fact. Around Highland Creek, you can actually discover small fossils of trilobites from the Devonian era and collect them and, of course, take them home. Now, let's move on to 2 species of the Chordata phyla. These are one of Canada's famous birds known as Canada geese. This bird can be found everywhere. These geese have a plant-based diet as they feed on grass and aquatic plants, which makes them herbivores. They are adapted to both the land and the water, allowing them to survive in various environments when conditions get tough. Moving on, this is an example of an eastern gray squirrel. Squirrels are most widely known for collecting and larder hoarding food like seeds and nuts, which allows them to survive the winter due to a significant drop in temperature and, of course, limited resources. Additionally, squirrels are also classified as herbivores. Moving on, let's talk about the final species that is a part of the Arthropoda phyla. What you can see here are ants. Ants always live in colonies, as when you encounter an ant somewhere, you are for sure to encounter the rest of its buddies close by. Together, the ants have a combined goal of gathering food for the nest, as well as protecting the nest from any threat. This certainly increases their chance of survival by working together. As seen in many animals like lions, wolves, and even killer whales, working together provides a mutual benefit for one another and increases the chance of survival. With that, ants are considered omnivores. Now, let's dive deeper into the physiology of the very famous Canada goose. This bird has triangular webbed feet. They act like paddles, and since they spread wide, allows them to maximize the amount of water they push back for forward movement. Webbed feet are also equipped with countercurrent heat exchange, which prevents the goose from losing body heat while swimming in cold aquatic systems. Moving on, the most noticeable feature of this bird are the feathers surrounding its body. Feathers contain something called barbicels, which interlock with other feathers, preventing water from soaking into their skin. Additionally, there is a gland near the tail of the goose that releases oil to keep the feathers flexible and out, allowing the feathers to remain interlocked. If the oil was not present, it would lead to the feathers becoming brittle over time. The goose will suffer from hypothermia. In a way to sum it up, walking through Morningside Park allowed me to witness a wide variety of species that thrive in the urban landscape. I certainly learned a lot about the species around the park, especially about the Canada goose. Specifically, I was enlightened about the engineering masterpiece of the feather, how they are made in a way to interlock with the other feathers, stay tight and connected. It is amazing how this animal, through multiple years of evolution, is highly specialized in an amazing way. By partaking in this assignment, I learned that many parks like this don't just provide a home for the species, but also is a landmark for the community around and has true connections to the way of life of the indigenous peoples. I encourage all of you to take a break and visit Morningside Park. You will have peace in mind. That being said, thank you for listening.